All right, boys and girls, here we are, Chapter 7, Practice 2, kind of like a Part 2, kind of split it up a little bit so we didn't have too much in one day. Take it nice and easy and go more for the understanding than seeing how many we can do. So, Frederick Frog is hungry. He is out hunting for his lunch. Clever Frederick Frog eats only non-poisonous flies. Flies carrying a product greater than 400 are non-poisonous. Which flies should Frederick Frog eat? It's like a big, huge tongue twister and math. Okay, so let's go ahead and we are going to look at 33 times 3. So we do our ones column, 3 times 3 equals 9. And then our tens column, 3 times 3 equals 9. So that answer is 99. Now we're going to go to B, and it's going to be 214 times 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Tens column, 1 times 2 equals 2. And then the hundreds column, 2 times 2 equals 4. So just looking at A and B, this is a product greater than 400, so that is non-poisonous. So Frederick should eat fly B. Definitely not fly A because that is less than 400. So, or 99 is less than 400. Maybe we'll write it like that as a little reminder. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to start by writing the letter B. Now let's look over here at C. And 3 ones times 3 equals 9. 2 10 times 3 equals 6 tens. And 1 100 times 3 is 300. 111 times 5, so 5. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 5 is 5. So again, this one here is greater than 400, so fly D would be a good one to eat. And times 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. 4 tens times 2 is 8 tens, and 1 100 times 2 is 200. E would be poisonous. And here we go now. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 tens times 4 also equals 8. And 1 100 times 4 is 400. That is over 400, so F would be another fly to eat. I can tell you already G is going to be a fly to eat, because we're starting at 400 and we're making it larger. So that's going to have to be over 400. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's look at fly H. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 tens times 3 is 6. And 2 hundreds times 3 is 6. Fly H will also be on there. And here we go. Fly I. 2 times 4 equals 8. 1, and then go to the tens column. So 1 times 4 equals 4. And to the hundreds, 2 times 4 equals 8. And that is also definitely over 400. And there's the flies that would be non-poisonous, so Freddy Frog can gobble those ones up. All right, well, let's look at number 9 here. So before we do that, let's look at our example. Curtis scores 22 points in a game. He wants to score the same number of points for each game. How many points does he hope to score in 4 games? So if he scores 22 points a game times 4 games, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8, so 88 points in 4 games. Well, let's look at number 9. 143 people ride the train every hour. How many people ride the train in 2 hours? Now, yeah, we could add them together, 143 plus 143, but let's practice with our multiplication. 143 times 2. So we're going to go 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 2 equals 2. So that would be how many people ride the train in 2 hours? 286 people. Okay, now A bakery sells 213 muffins in a day. How many muffins does it sell in 3 days? Again, we're going to set that up like that. And how many whats? How many muffins? So I'd like you to go ahead and finish number 10. I'm going to also look at number 11 and 12 quick before we finish today. A website has 232 hits in the first week. In the second week, the website has the same number of hits. How many hits does the website have? So we have 232, and it's in 2 weeks, so we're going to times that by 2. And there's our label. Go ahead, figure that out. And number 12, a grocery store sells 202 cartons of milk a week. How many cartons of milk does it sell in 4 weeks? So if we multiply 202 times 4, one for each week, that will give us our answer. So how many cartons of milk? That'll be our answer, and there's our label. All right, boys and girls, let me know how you did on that. If you have any questions or anything, okay? And we will talk to you later.